Hello! Welcome to the Marshall Court Case Review Program. The court case we are going to discuss today is the McCulloch versus Maryland court case in 1819. After the fall of the First National Bank due to the lack of congressional support, inflation in the following years after the War of 1812, the Second National Bank was established by the Congress in 1816. This Marshall court case is between the state of Maryland and the Second National Bank, obviously having John Marshall as the Chief Justice. The state of Maryland passed the legislation to impose taxes on the bank. However, James W. McCulloch refused to pay the tax. At the court, John Marshall stated that the state doesn't have power to incorporate the bank, but the national government does. Without any more spoilers, let me show you a short clip of the case. Sit back and relax.
Good morning. My name is James W. McCulloch, and I am the cashier of the Baltimore branch of the bank. Since I don't have anything else to do, let's see if I have any mail in my mailbox. What's this? Wow. They think I'm actually going to be willing to pay the tax to them? They thought, I'm definitely not paying this.
Sir? What do you want? Do you not see me clearly having fun doing nothing in my office?
I deeply apologize, officer, but I thought you would think this is urgent enough for me to interrupt you.
What is this? What? Oh my God. The Baltimore branch of the National Bank refused to pay the tax. Okay, I see you, friend. That's the attitude you have to your state government? No, it does not work like that. Let me show you what happens at the court. It's on.
Okay, so today I am here with McCulloch and the officer of Maryland. So why exactly are you guys here again today at my court?
Sir, we've been arguing about this for last 3 hours. Is my point not made yet?
I would actually be able to understand and judge stuff if you weren't just yelling at each other the whole freaking time. Alright, so we are here to discuss if the state of Maryland has the ability to impose taxes on the National Bank. Officer of the state of Maryland, you sued the National Bank for refusing the tax. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. I strongly suggest that the National Bank should pay us the tax because we oppose the bank having control over the unregulated issuance of the state bank. To show that we are against the idea of the National Bank, we tax all of the banks that are not chartered by the state.
This isn't even worth my time to argue about.
Excuse me, sir?
Well, let me teach you a lesson. Let the end be legitimate. Let it be within the scope of the Constitution, and by all means which are appropriate, which are plainly adapted to that end, which are not prohibited, but consistent with the letter and spirit of the Constitution, are constitutional. Okay, well clearly you're confused. Basically what I just said was that you don't have the power to impose the tax because according to the Constitution, chartering of the bank is a power implied from the power over the federal operations. Since you, the state of Maryland, cannot impede constitutional federal laws, you cannot tax the Second National Bank. Haha, I told you, woo-hoo!
But,
since you're saying that, you're clearly over. Goodbye, officer, and long live the Constitution.
No, wait, let me go. No, no!
That was the end of the clip. The significance of this case of McCulloch versus Maryland is that Marshall issued for broad interpretations of the Constitution. Also, this became a legal foundation of the subsequent expansions of the federal powers. If you still don't understand what I mean, essentially the state and national government hated each other, and the national government would always find a way to constitutionalize what the state government tried to get more powers in. Thank you so much for watching.